Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. And I guess I don't have to tell you that today's video is going to be on this look. So without further delay, let's get started.
To begin with, I'm using the Palm Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. I'm taking a small drop over my hand and gently massaging into my face. Then I'm taking the Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Primerizer. It's a primer and moisturizer all together. Just like the moisturizer, I'm taking a small drop over my hand and covering my oily areas. After applying primer, wait for 2 to 3 minutes. For my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 238 Rich Tan. It's a matte foundation, so I like to mix it with my Maybelline New York Master Strobing Cream in the shade Nude for a dewy-like finish. After mixing these two together, I put it on my face like this and blend it with a brush. To highlight my under eye areas, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. I will use the concealer on my under eyes, nose bridge, forehead and chin. I'm blending the concealer with my ring finger. To contour my face, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Mahogany. It's a very dark concealer, so I prefer to blend it one at a time. Here I'm starting with right side first. I will blend this side first and then we'll go to the other side. Otherwise, if you leave it for a while on your face without blending, it leaves a tacky state which is hard to blend. So I'm going in this order. First cheekbone, jawbone, chin, forehead and then nose. To outline my eyebrows, I'm using the Maybelline New York Fashion Brow Duo Shaper. Honestly speaking, I'm not a fan of this product. It doesn't even show up on my eyebrows. It's so light. So I'm not going to recommend anyone to buy this one. Normally I use any random eyeshadow palette, and from that palette I use the black and brown eyeshadow to fill my eyebrows. To fill my eyebrows, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette. People have different opinions about this palette. Some say that the shades are not pigmented and fall out a lot. So I wanted to try it myself and got this one. And today's whole eye look is going to be with this palette. Also, I'll try to give some information about the shades and the overall effectiveness of this palette. While doing your eyebrows, always use a dark shade on the arch area and a lighter shade towards the center. I'm using the shade number 22 Black Qua to fill my arch and outer side of my eyebrow, and shade 20 Drama Queen on my inner side. After I'm done with my both eyebrows, I'm using a eyeshadow blending brush and taking the shade number 17 Latte as my transitioning color. While putting eyeshadow, keep open your eyes and follow your natural crease area to deepen the shade. Later, with light back and forth motion, blend it upward. Then taking the shade 28 Winning and darkening my crease, also swiping it on my outer corner. You can add black shade on the outer corner for more dimension. However, I'm going to keep it like this. Now I'm going to do a hollow cut crease. For that, I'm taking my concealer and packing my brush with a little bit of it. I'll follow my natural crease and cutting it carefully. I want my cut crease in the middle position only. After cutting your crease, take a blending brush and smudge the both sides. I like to set the cut crease with some translucent powder, but today I will use the pressed glitters, and setting the concealer will increase the glitter fallouts, so I'm skipping it. With a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm taking the shade 9 Ice Cloud and gently patting on my eyelid. Don't blend it, just build up the intensity. After layering the glitters on my eyelid, I'm taking it with my finger and pressing directly at the center. Lastly, with the same blending brush, I'm taking the shade Latte and blending it all together. Then I'm taking a flat eyeshadow brush and taking the shade Black Koa from the same Fortune Favors the Brave palette and creating a liner. For my waterline, I'm going to use all the colors I have used on my upper lid. Then I'm using my Maybelline Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner to create a thin line starting from my inner corner. After creating the liner, I'm using the same eyeshadow brush to blend the outer corners. Now I'm done with my both eyes and I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara to lift my eyelash. I hope you can see the clear cut crease in the middle of my eyes. Don't forget to coat your lower lash as well. Now that I'm done with my mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Kajal in the shade Super Black. To finish off my eye look, I'm going to use the shade number 1 Glimmer on my inner corner. As my highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline New York V-Face Duo Stick. It's a cream highlighter and I'm using it in this order. First my cheekbone, then nose bridge, forehead and lastly my cupid bow. For my lips, I'm going to use the Nykaa Cosmetics lipstick in the shade DJ Nude. It is from their newly launched creamy matte range, I guess. I will link it in the description box. Though it's a matte lipstick, it still gives a shiny appearance. So I'm going to use a translucent powder to set this. I'm almost done with my makeup. Lastly, I'm going to use the Faces Canada Ultim Pro Makeup Fixer to fix my whole makeup. Always spray the makeup fixer from an arm's length and let it set for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm done with my whole makeup process. I'm going to use my jewelries for today's look. The jewelries you see me wearing, some of them are made by me. If you guys want me to show my handcrafted jewelry section, then I will do a separate video for that. To finish off the whole look, I'm going to use my favorite medium-sized black bindi at the center of my forehead. And I'm done.
I hope you all like this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends, and don't forget to like and comment. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, and my Instagram link will be given in the description box, and I will mention all the products I have used on my face and my eyes. Actually, all the products I have used, I will give it in the description box. So keep supporting me and see you soon. Tata!